Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. TinyCP package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing TinyCP repo by running the following command. Then import the GPG key using the following command. Install TinyCP as shown. Once the installation is completed, you will receive a URL, username and a password with which you will use them to access your control panel. Once you finish it, open your web browser, then go to your address as shown above during installation, then enter the login and password you created before. Once you click on sign in, you will be directed to the TinyCP dashboard. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.